Pranamami sada Prabhupadupadam Pranamami sada Prabhupadupadam. We are not learning to insult any Guru Vaishnava, but we can establish Siddhanta according to his vichar, according to the instruction of Prabhupada. Fraud sadhu, false sadhu, fraud sadhu should be brought into light. Prabhupada told repeatedly. Those who are fraud, running for love puja pratishtha, ignoring Guru Varga, all, parampara. Fraud sadhu should be brought into notice, Prabhupada told. So it is instruction, so we must do. So I can never insult Guru Vaishnava. I can never insult. I can speak what is the absolute truth. I can establish Siddhanta. If some Siddhanta is wrong, spoken and written by somebody, that is up to you. I am directly not going to speak anything. I can establish Siddhanta. That is my duty, that I can do.